Hello, Rob here. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up a retention policy in Microsoft 365's Purview. So let's jump right in. I'm in my Purview admin panel and I want to go to Data Lifecycle Management. And over here you see the Exchange Legacy, retention policy, all the legacy stuff. We're going to skip that. And we're going to go to policies, and over here you have retention policy, label policies and other options, but we're going to click retention policy. I currently do not have a retention policy set, so that's what we're going to do today. Click a new retention policy, give it a name, policy, give it a description. You gotta document it in real life though. Click next. Over here you have the E5, but I do not have that license, so we're gonna go with static. Next, and here it already ticked 4 boxes or selections. We're gonna go with that. We can include mailboxes or we can exclude mailboxes, and the same goes for SharePoint sites. You can check it here if you want, so you can set up different retention policies. Next. And over here you have an option. You can retain items for a specific period, like 7 years or longer, or a custom period, 5 years or shorter. And you can start the retention period based on when it was created or when it was last modified. So that's an important one. At the end of your retention policy, you can delete it automatically or do nothing. I want to go with retain items forever. Retain items forever. Here I review and finish my policy settings. Looks pretty default, exactly like I wanted. So click submit. And it's now submitting my new policy, and this can take a while. So just let it run. Okay. You successfully created a retention policy and allow up to a week for your policy to be enforced. So involve your privacy officer and your information security officer. Implement it in time. That's basically what I want to say. And I'm done. And that's how you set up a new retention policy. As always, the documentation on the reasoning why and how I set this up is available. And that's it. That's how you set up a retention policy in Microsoft 365's Purview, and I advise you to do that. Just set it up. It's easy and you never know. If you like the video, like it, subscribe for more content, and yeah, thank you. Bye bye.